Hello，大家好，我们今天来继续填空 Taylor Swift Back to December 第二部分。These days I haven't been sleeping, staying up, playing back myself, living. When your birthday passed, I didn't call. Then I think about summer, all the beautiful times I watched you laughing from the passenger side, and realize I loved you in the fall. And then the cold came, the dark days when fear crept into my mind. It gave me all your love, and all I gave you was goodbye. This is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December all the time. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December, turn around and change my own mind. I go back to December all the time. 这个第二部分跟第一部分的节奏啊、鼓点都是一样的，然后呢，它的难点也主要就是它的踩点的这个连读才能踩上节奏，其他就真的没有什么了。好，然后我们就接下来主要关注每一句话里面的鼓点，还有它的就是重点。比如说过山车，它就有起起落落，对吧？我们就主要关注它那个山峰，然后山峰找到了，你的山谷自然就凸显出来了，然后你唱歌也能踩到节拍，也比较轻松。好，我们就来看一下歌词吧。从这里开始啊。These days I haven't been sleeping, staying up, playing back myself, leaving. 它的那个节奏就是当当当当当当当当当当当当当当当当，对不对？当当当当当当当当，然后连读的话就是 These days I haven't been， 这个 I 可以稍微连一下，也可以不连，自己处理就好。Haven't been sleeping, haven't been sleeping， 这一块是不是有一个吞音呢？对不对 ？These days I haven't been sleeping， 这个 haven't been 这个 t 就被吞掉了，对吧 ？Staying up, playing back myself, living。好。When your birthday passed, I didn't call。这个 When your birthday passed， 这个 birthday 是一个重读，对吧？Birthday passed, I didn't。这个 passed I 可以直接连起来哈。Passed I didn't call。And I think about summer, all the beautiful times. 这个 and I 稍微连一下。Think about, think about summer, all the beautiful times. 这个 summer raw 连一下。Summer all the beautiful times I 也是连一下。然后这一句是不是有吞音？你能发现吗？稍微听一下哦。And I think about summer, all the beautiful times I， 是不是有一个吞音 ？And I think about summer, all 这个 think about 结尾的 t 被吞掉了，对不对？它没有读成 And I think about summer all 的 ，And I think about summer 这个 t 直接被吞掉了，变成一个小小的停顿。好，然后下一句。Times I watched you laughing from the passenger side。这个 watch to 稍微连一下，它这个 ed 就变成了 et 一样的发音。watched you laughing from the passenger side and 可以想象后面有个 and 啊 side and realize I loved you。这个 realized I 也是稍微带一下连一下 loved you in the fall and then the cold came。这个地方 cold 结尾的 d 也是比较弱的，对不对？这个 and then 也是稍微连一下 and then the cold came, the dark days when fear crept into my mind。 这句话稍微有一点点难点，是因为这个地方有个 crept 这个单词不是很常见，然后呢它还跟后面的 into 连起来 crept into，你就闭上眼睛想象有这么一个单词叫做 crept into。好，然后你再拆开就会发现它是两个单词啊。然后 the dark days，dark 要把它为它多做一点动作，多做一点功，嘴巴张大一点，舌头往后多卷一点。The dark days when fear crept into my mind，when fear crept into my mind，crept into my mind。这个地方可以局部的多练一下，就可以解决了。好，我们再把整句话带一遍。And then the cold came, the dark days when fear crept into my mind, crept into my mind。这个 crept 结尾这个倒数第二个地方的 p， 它会读的比较轻一点。crept into， 它的重点是 tin 啊 t 结尾的 t。tin to 连一起了 ，p 就比较弱哈 ，crept into。You gave me all your love, what I gave you was goodbye。这个 and all I 三连 and all I gave you 二连was goodbye。goodbye 也是嘴巴发饱满一点，这个 bye I 这个 I 大家懂的，它是一个双元音啊。双元音就是说有两个元音 r 和 i， 你就发 r i，然后慢慢的把它们两个连起来，就变成 i， 这样子再发 i， 是不是会感觉更加饱满？比你干瘪瘪的发 goodbye 和 goodbye， 是不是第三个会稍微好一点？第三个的话就是你把 r 拆开 r 然后把它读快一点 i， 就变成了 i， 是这么来的。Bye, goodbye。好 ，So this is me swallowing my pride singing。这一块节奏很强，对不对？噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔。So this is me， this is 连一下 ，this is me swallowing my pride standing in front of you。front of you 这是个三连哦 ，front of you 不是 front of you， 是 front of you，front of you 很弱的，很轻描淡写，蜻蜓点水，很轻松慵懒的那种感觉。front of you saying I'm sorry for saying I'm 连一下 sorry for that night， 这个 for 稍微发饱满一点，舌头卷一点点。that night 这个 that night 结尾的 t 都被吞掉了，很弱，对吧？And I go back to December all the time. And I 连一下 go back to December December all the time. It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you. 这个好像前面第一节有讲过，对吧？应该比较熟了。It turns out 三连 it turns out t 也被吞掉了，对吧？ It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you。这个地方是不是有三个音都被吞掉了？你再听一遍哦。这一段有三个音被吞掉了，找一下是哪三个。It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you。再来一遍。It turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you。是不是三个 t 都被吞掉了？对吧？结尾的这个 t 被吞掉了。好 ，Wishing I realized。这个 wishing I 这个 night 连一下哈 ，wishing I realized what I had when you were mine。这个地方也有吞音对吧 ？wishing I realized 这个 d 都比较轻微，很弱。wishing I realized what I had when you were mine。I go back to December。Turn around and change my own mind. Turn around and change my own mind and change my 这个地方是不是有一个吞音啊？真的是无处不在。And change my own mind and 这个 d 对不对？找到了吧？ Change my own mind. I go back to December all the time. 好啦，那以上就是第二节的讲解，希望大家能够抓住重点，主要就是 Taylor Swift 她的歌的重点，第一个就是找节奏，当当当当当当当当，对吧？然后第二个呢，就是找它的连读嘛，因为你只有连上了才能跟上节奏，对吧？然后第三个呢，就是吞音很多， 因为如果你把时间花在本来应该被省略的那种小的结尾上面的话，你的节奏又跟不上。所以的话，基本上就是一气呵成的。为了跟上节奏，你就需要局部的练习连读，以及把吞音给吞掉，就可以了。好，那以上就是 Back to December 第2部分的讲解。希望大家有任何反馈可以告诉我。如果你觉得这个视频啰嗦的话，就留言告诉我，有点啰嗦，那我下次就讲快一点。如果你觉得我讲的太快了，你就告诉我讲的太快了，希望我讲细致一点，那我下次就讲细致一点。然后如果你觉得刚刚好的话，就请你给我长按点赞，就变成3连了。这个是我最近习得的一个技能，大家可以试验一下。Okay, so that's pretty much for today's sharing, and maybe see you next time. Bye bye.